Alright, just remove the cylinder head on my Astro van, my V6, for a misfire on number 4 cylinder. I just recently cleaned this motor already. I cleaned it out with a rag and stuff just to get some of the carbon buildup. But I discovered something. The reason why I pulled the head out, because I discovered this spring right here. I don't know if you can see it, but I can actually turn it from left to right. Well, the others are nice and tight. So I either got two problems. Either I got a bad valve, which I will take apart and find out. But if the valve is straight and the seats are still good, I'm going to replace that spring and put it back. And that should solve my my misfire number 4, causing my compression loss only on idle. And that explains when I accelerate, it doesn't misfire, because I hooked up my scanner, my launch scanner, and I looked at my misfire counts at idle. It's misfiring a lot of times, but when I go above 500 RPMs, misfire goes away and it runs smooth. So that should solve my issue. I'll keep you guys updated.